Assalamualaikum warahmatullah. This is Muhammad Kamal, lecturer, Department of Mathematics, Scholars School and College, Dhanmondi, Dhaka. My dear students, today we will discuss Mathematics, Chapter 8, Information and Data. This is one of the most important topics for the students of in class 6, 7 and in every class. Just you have to answer at least 10 marks questions from data and informations. So this is the primary level of your learning stage, and today we will discuss basically what is data and informations, what we use in our daily life. And so my dear students, there are 50 students connected with this live. Please, you can share, or in the comment section you can check this link to your friends to connect with us. Inshallah, within a short time we are going to start our class formally. So my dear students, inshallah today we will discuss chapter 8, information and data. So please firstly do comments top line of the board, right side, left side, and light, sound quality. Is it everything okay? Can we start our class formally? Please do comments, and you can give your attendance in the comment section. Yes, use the microphone, guys. I think the sound is okay. Everything okay? We are going to start our class formally. And first of all, in terms of data and information, you have to know the difference between data and information. This is the basic question. What do you mean by data and what is information? Sometimes students, the answer or mixed the answer in two questions. Actually, while they don't know what is the difference in between data and informations, and so on that time actually they are confused in writing the answer. So basically, first of all, you have to know what is data or what is information, and then what is the difference in between them, and where we use data and information, and why we use it. Is it really helpful or not? So these types of questions today we will discuss with you, my dear students. So this is one of the most important class, hope inshallah. So please, and try to connect your friend. So inshallah within a short time, so we are going to start our class formally. First of all, we will write the definitions of data and informations. So in your academic content, this is the question number 13. You can write here like question number 13, exercise 8, chapter 8. This is what are data and informations? What are data and information? What are data and informations? This is the first questions. And present with examples. So this is the question number 13 in your academic book. What is data and information? Present with examples. So now we will discuss this one, my dear students. Then I will inform you what is the difference in between data and informations. So basically, an answer you can write the short answer, and then I will discuss. The first one, informations, or you can write is data. First we can write data as in terms of definitions. Data is a number based informations. Data is a number based information. The first one. So then you have to know what is the informations. Data is a number based informations, or we can write here stated in statistics. Now, for example, highest and lowest quantity of daily temperature in Dhaka city. So this is one examples here. My dear students, we will write another information in Dhaka city. Another one, obtain marks. Another example, obtain marks in mathematics. So basically this is the data, which is a number based information, statistics. For example, highest and the lowest quantity of daily temperature in Dhaka city, or obtain marks in mathematics. So data নিয়ে আমি আরো কিছু ব্রিফ ইনফরমেশন তোমাদেরকে কমেন্ট সেকশনে দিচ্ছি, তোমরা একটু পড়ে নাও অ্যাকচুয়ালি হোয়াট ইজ ডেটা। Dear students, so just we wrote here the simple definitions of data, but in the comment section now you can see briefly I have discussed here what is the definitions of data. So just you can read this one. Okay, my dear students, if you cannot see the board here, you can see the comment section what is data. The brief discussions about this. Data is a raw and unorganized fact that's required in the process, Martin meaningful, and data can be simple at the same time unorganized unless. So data is always interpreted by human and machines. So to derive the meaning, data is a meaningless. যখন একটা মানুষই তো এই ডাটাগুলোকে or একটা মেশিন ইনপুট দিচ্ছে, so definitely এটার উপর নির্ভর করবে. So now we will discuss actually the meaning of and what is informations. Then we will discuss the difference in between them. First we will write a definitions, then we will discuss briefly what is the difference in between data and informations. So my dear students, give attention. Now you will write what is informations. The next one, informations. And the ইনফরমেশনটাকে যদি আমরা ডেফিনিশন আকারে মেনশন করি, সো কালেক্টেড অবজারভেশনস অর এলিমেন্টস collected observations, this collected observations or elements or objects during any experiment. Is called informations. So basically in terms of informations, this definition is dependent on data. Okay, then we will draw a figure here. So এখন যদি আমরা কতগুলোকে এক্সাম্পল আকারে যদি আমরা সেট করি, the collected observations examples or the object during any experiment is called information. So which types of informations, like examples information of weather, informations of weather, sports, market, price, etc. So যদি আমরা এখানে একটা ডায়াগ্রামের মাধ্যমে দেখি, আমরা অ্যাকচুয়ালি ডাটাটা কোথায় থেকে আসে, তাহলে আমরা যেটা একটা ডায়াগ্রামে দেখাচ্ছি, লাইক এই যে there are 3 different or 4 ডাটাগুলোকে আমরা প্রসিড করব, দেন এটাকে লাইক this is the data here, another data, this is the data, processing information 1 2 3, then this one ডাটাগুলোকে আমরা নেব, নেওয়ার পরে প্রসেস করব, প্রসেস করার পরে আমরা ইনফরমেশন পাবো। Just give attention. So now, if we draw it right here, the collected observations or elements or objects during any experiment is called informations. Example, informations of weather, sports and market price. Market price means just market price of cloth, market price of mobile, market price of electronics items. So different types of data if you collect. First of all, if you have to collect different types of data, and then data after processing, the final result will be informations. Like your mark sheet mark, each and every student mark is a data. And after collecting all marks, then we will make a mark sheet. And then including other informations, data, then after processing the final result, just to get a document sheet as the informations. So information basically is not a number, is the result of processing data. When you process different types of data, overall you will get an informations. So now, what is the brief definitions of informations? I will write in the comment section. Give attention to me. So, my dear students, give attention in the comment section. Dear students, give attention in the comment section. Now you can see the definitions of informations. I have already written in the comment section. I think, is there any problem? No, everything is okay and going on smoothly. Yes, sir. So in the comment section you can see what is information. Information is a set of data. So definitely information dependent on the data. If you do not collect the data, you will not get the overall informations. So information is dependent on the data. Data processing result is the informations. And then, so it's a meaningful way according to the given requirements. It's okay, sir. Now, my dear student, you can take the screenshot, the definitions of data and information. Maximum times student cannot identify what is the difference in between them. What is the difference in between data and informations? So, information is completely dependent on the data. Data is nothing just except a number, collecting number, like the age of class 6 students, almost 13 or 14, 13, 14, something, or blood group. And different types of data after collecting and processing, just we can make the informations, and that is the information list. So যখন আমরা বিভিন্ন স্কুলে ডেটাগুলোকে একসাথে করে আমরা একটা ইনফরমেশন আকারে রেডি করি, দেন আমরা তখন বলতে পারি যে একটা শহরে অথবা ধানমন্ডিতে কয়টা স্কুলে কি রেজাল্ট হচ্ছে এসএসসি পরীক্ষা. So this is the information, and each school will provide you data and their students. Then after processing this data, then you will get overall informations. Now you have to know what is the difference basically in between data and informations. So now I will discuss this one in the comment section. Give attention, my dear students. I think these definitions will help you not only in the class 6, in the advanced level. You can also apply the difference definitions or difference in between data and information. Is there net problem? No, I think is everything going on smoothly. Okay. Okay, my dear students, again give attention the difference in between data and information. Now give attention in my new comment sections. You will get the difference between data and informations. I think net connect, yes. And already 11 students have been shown the key difference in between them. Data is a raw, unorganized fact that is required to be processed to make a meaningful, whereas information is a set of data that is processed in a meaningful way according to the given requirement. So this is the one of the most important definition in between them, and also difference. Purpose ওদের যে উদ্দেশ্যগুলো, whereas the information carries a meaning that has been assigned by the interpreting data, and data alone has no significance while the information is significant by itself. Already we have seen data, actually without data you will not get the overall informations. So information completely dependent on the data. If data is wrong, your overall information will be interrupted. But data is also a meaningful number. Basically it's human design. If you input the data is wrong way, then your overall information will be wrong. So my dear students, I think one of the most definitions here and difference between data and information, you can take the screenshot of this one and you can apply the difference in between data and information, not only in class 6 but also in 7 and 8. Also you can apply this definition in class 9. So this is one of the most important part here. So I think my dear students, if you have any questions, please do comments. Now this is the final definitions of data and information. So you have to know what is the difference in between data and informations. So I think these types of questions you have to answer in the upcoming exam. And what is data, what do you mean by information, and give example what is the difference in between data and information, where we can apply the data, why information is dependent on the data. So definitely you have to write these types of definition as you 2 marks questions usually comes in the exam. So now I will answer as far as you demand. So my dear students, if you have any question, please do comments. Now I will review your comments. Sir, you didn't get the comments of that. Sir, I didn't get the comment of data. Okay, sir. Already I have given here the data and information. Sir, I didn't get the comment of data. Okay, sir. Sir, I have given it because someone didn't get. Thank you, sir. Already 8th sum done this one again. So in the upper class you can also use these informations and data and the difference in between them. So now another one of the most important definitions in between data and informations. So my dear students, just give attention here. Data and informations, brief discussions here. Now we will give another and the descriptions in between them. We can use another comment section here. Now I am taking the class by using mobile phone and computer. Descriptions and quantity in which, I think we should give this one by using the separate comments, the descriptions between them. This is the informations and the same this one and This is the data. This is the data. Now we can write here data, and another one is informations. So we can write here informations. So this is the another definitions. My dear students, ডেটা এবং ইনফরমেশন নিয়ে আমরা আরও কিছু ওদের ডিফারেন্স ডেফিনিশন এক্সাম্পল ইনক্লুড করে আমি একটা প্র্যাকটিস শিট রেডি করে দেবো তোমাদের এখানে ইনশাল্লাহ আজকে রাতেই তোমাদেরকে। কারণ এই কোশ্চেনটা ম্যাক্সিমাম স্টুডেন্ট এরা অনেক সময় ভুল করে যে ডেফিনিশনগুলোর মধ্যে আইডেন্টিফাই করা যে হোয়াট ইজ ডেটা অ্যান্ড হোয়াট ইজ ইনফরমেশন অ্যান্ড হোয়াট ইজ দ্য ডিফারেন্স ইন বিটুইন দ্যাম। সো অলরেডি আজকের ক্লাসে তাহলে আমরা কি শিখলাম? আজকের ক্লাসে আমাদের যে কিওয়ার্ডগুলো ছিল, the what is data and what is information, and give example of data and information. What is the difference in between data and information? Where we can apply data and how data becomes informations after processing. So basically these types of definitions already we have done. Now we can discuss, there are two types of data in our academic book, organized and unorganized. The organized data means like this one, the obtained marks of 10 students in your class. Obtain marks of 10 students in your class, like out of 50, 41, 42, 36, 50, and then 49, like only the 5 students. Obtain mark of MCQ. In mathematics, the 5 students are given here. So, if this 5 information is given here, and this is basically numerical data, or we can write here number data. And now you may ask, is it organized or unorganized? And you have to know what is the organized and unorganized, the definitions. Just give attention. 41, 42, 36, and 50 and 49. This number are not arranged in ascending or descending order. If you see numbers are not arranged in ascending or descending order, this one will be unorganized data. So this is unorganized data. And so now you may arrange this data in ascending order or descending order. Descending order means down, the top to bottom. Ascending order means upward. So we will arrange this one in ascending order. These are 36, then 41, 42, 49, and 50. This is the lowest mark, this is the highest mark. Now this data is in organized. So this data is unorganized data, this is organized data. So how many types of data we see here? 2 types of data. This is unorganized and this is organized. Sometimes in the question you may see the obtained marks in mathematics of 20 students are given, and the requirement may be is this data is organized or not. If not, organize the data in ascending order or descending order. And you have to know ascending order means upward. The smallest one to largest one. Descending order means down. The top one to smallest one. So this is the two types of data, organized and unorganized. So now my dear students, now give attention. We will discuss as per is your comments. So this is another questions. How many types of data we see here? The two types of data, organized and unorganized. Now, if you want to collect the data, we basically collect data from an organization or a school or house or a building. যেমন দেখো আমরা একটা স্কুলে যখন আমরা যাব, suppose you are a visitor, you want to get informations of class 6 students. তুমি একটা স্কুলে গেলে কোনোভাবে একটা স্কুলের স্টুডেন্টদের ম্যাথমেটিক্সের অবটেইন মার্কসগুলো তুমি নিবে, কালেক্ট করে তুমি একটা ইনফরমেশন রেডি করবে। এই যে ইনফরমেশন কালেক্ট করার জন্য তুমি যখন ডিরেক্টলি যখন যাবে, তুমি যে ইনফরমেশন যে রিসার্চ করবে, অ্যানালাইসিস করবে, সেই প্রতিষ্ঠান যদি ডিরেক্টলি যদি গিয়ে ইনফরমেশন ডেটাগুলো নিয়ে আসে, এটাকে আমরা বলবো ডিরেক্ট ডাটা। Because directly you have you are connected with them and you collect all in data from them. যখন যারা রিসার্চ করবে or অ্যানালাইসিস করবে, তারা যখন ডেটাগুলো কালেক্ট করে ডিরেক্টলি, তখন তাদেরকে বলা হচ্ছে ডিরেক্ট ডাটা। and direct data is also a primary data. This is more accurate. এই ডাটাগুলো অনেক অ্যাকিউরেট হবে, কোনোভাবে মিক্সড হবে না। অনেকের কাছ থেকে ইনফরমেশন কালেক্ট করলে যেমন মিসিং হতে পারে, রং ইনফরমেশন এনগেজড হতে পারে। তুমি যখন ডিরেক্টলি কোনো ডেটা কালেক্ট করবে, যেমন তুমি একটা স্কুলে যাবে, একটা স্কুলে যাওয়ার পর একটা স্কুলে যদি আমাদের মোর দেন 3000 স্টুডেন্ট থাকে, তোমার একটা টিম যখন তুমি নিয়ে স্কুলে যাওয়ার পর সবার ব্লাড গ্রুপকে তুমি রিভিউ করবে, দেখবে, দেখার পরে লিস্ট করবে যে এতজন বি প্লাস, এতজন এবি প্লাস, এবি মাইনাস, ও পজিটিভ, ও নেগেটিভ, এভাবে ব্লাড গ্রুপগুলোকে তুমি কালেক্ট করবে। এই যে ইচ এন্ড এভরি ব্লাড গ্রুপ উইল বি ডেটা। সবগুলো ডেটাকে তুমি যখন একটা প্রসেসিং করে একটা ইনফরমেশন আকারে রেডি করবে। এই যে দেখো, ব্লাড গ্রুপগুলো তুমি যখন কালেক্ট করার জন্য স্কুলে যাবে, তুমি অথবা তোমার কোনো টিম, তখন ডিরেক্টলি যখন এগুলোকে অ্যানালাইসিস করবে, এগুলো হবে প্রাইমারি ডাটা। and primary data is more accurate than the secondary data. এখন কোনো কারণে তোমার ব্যস্ততার কারণে তুমি তোমার কোনো টিমকে অথবা তুমি নিজে ব্লাড গ্রুপের যে ডেটা or নাম্বারের ডেটা, এগুলো তুমি কালেক্ট করতে পারো না। তুমি কারো কাছ থেকে শুনে অথবা অন্য কারো মাধ্যমে অথবা অন্য কোনো সেকেন্ডের অন্য কোনো উপায়ে বা অনলাইন থেকে অথবা ওয়েবসাইট থেকে বিভিন্ন জায়গা থেকে তুমি ডেটাগুলো কালেক্ট করছো, এই ডাটাগুলো রং হতে পারে। এগুলোকে আমরা বলি সেকেন্ডারি ডাটা। তাহলে সেকেন্ডারি ডাটার মধ্যে ইনফরমেশন মিসিং হতে পারে, রং হতে পারে, পারসন টু পার্সনালিটি চেঞ্জ হয়ে যেতে পারে। So that's why primary data is more accurate than the secondary data. Is it clear to you? And primary data or direct data is directly collected from the organizations, and the secondary data collected by the other persons from the collecting source. So secondary data may be wrong sometimes, and primary data is more accurate than the secondary data. So my dear students, I think this information is clear to you. There are two types of data here. First of all, primary data or direct data, and secondary data or indirect data. After collecting the data, then you will get another two parts: organized data and unorganized data. Organized data is in ascending order. It may be ascending order or descending order. But unorganized data is simply collected number. It may not be arranged in ascending or descending order. So I'm going to review our today's class, and then first you have to know what is data and what is information with examples where we can apply or why it is essential to know and where we can apply this data and informations in our real life. How many data are there? Is they ascending? Is they organized or unorganized? And how we have collect this data? Is it directly or indirectly? Directly data is called primary data. Indirect data is called secondary data. Which one is more accurate than others? Definitely direct data is more accurate, more correct than secondary data. So then first we have said the difference in between data and informations. And so my dear students, inshallah today night I will submit in the group the definitions and the discussions, examples, difference in between data and information briefly. So now we are going to close our today's class. Now I will review your comments. Please do comments. Then I will discuss as far as your demand. Then if you have any questions, please let me know. Hey, Kalarsan. Kalarsan mone হয়। Stop it, is just starting the class. So we should give the time him. My dear students, within a short times, I will complete this class. Now I will discuss, review your comments here. No questions, sir. Bye bye, sir. Okay, inshallah. I think this definition is today more clear to you. What is the difference in between data and information, and how we can use data and information in our real life. So, inshallah, and thank you very much to enjoy my class. Hopefully, see with you again in the tomorrow's class. Wish you all the best. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. And don't forget to subscribe Triangular Kamal Academy.